Boeing president and CEO Dave Calhoun says he is stepping down.
Why now? I've entered my 5th year. At the end of this year, I'll be close to 68 years old.
Calhoun's announcement coming after a string of scares in the sky, multiple involving Boeing 737 MAX planes. Back in January, a door plug flew off the plane, terrifying passengers on an Alaska Airlines flight. And in 2018 and 2019, before Calhoun was CEO, 2 deadly crashes off the coast of Indonesia and in Ethiopia left more than 300 people dead.
They have not done anything to repair the problems, improve morale, change the culture.
These incidents, plus other close calls, have prompted the Federal Aviation Administration and Congress to scrutinize the flying industry. The FAA even paused Boeing's expansion of its 737 MAX planes and found that the company had quality control issues.
This should be able to be brought under control. I'm hoping the carriers have the backstop of excellent maintenance programs to provide comfort to the public.
Wall Street is also keeping an eye on the embattled company, while Boeing's new chairman, Stephen Mollenkopf, will spearhead the search for Calhoun's replacement.
Management is the single most important thing that we pay attention to. It's our top fundamental factor that we analyze along with catalyst for outperformance.
Dave Calhoun says he will continue to lead Boeing until the end of this year to set the company up for the future. In Seattle, Dan Springer, Fox News.